Welcome everybody. In today's SkySlope form tutorial, I will show you how you can make changes to an already existing filled form. Here I am logged into my SkySlope form. This is the client that we are working with. So I'll simply click on Johnson and I will choose Upload Document. Click on Upload Documents and we're going to make changes to Form 300s. I'm going to select that and click Upload, and once it's done, we'll click Done and it will get loaded to the last place. So we'll simply click on this since we only need to work with one. So the changes we're going to make, the client says they only want a contract for 3 months, not 6, and they want to add maybe another city. So 3-month contract, that means the contract will end in January instead of April. I'm just going to simply click Prepare Signature. This time we do not need to sign, okay? We can simply say no action, only John Singh need to sign. I will rename this envelope to Correction, okay? So I name this envelope Correction BRA. And I will select Next. I will zoom in a little bit. Okay. We will click on Strike right here. And simply click and drag on top of April. And we get this menu pop up. I will choose red. So it's just more visible. Right. And you can click on it again and adjust it. Make it longer if you need it. Okay. And here I will click on text field and I will add Caledon. I'll click outside and then click and drag to just this and simply strike out Brampton and Mississauga. So I'll click strike again, click and drag, okay, choose red. And we will enter January here. So I'll select text field, click here, double click. All right, that is it. Those are the 2 changes. And we need initial from our clients on these 2 changes. So we will click on initials, click here. Okay, one initial here. And let me move this out of the way. One initial. Oh, have to click on initials again and one initial here. Okay, so it's ready to send. We'll simply go send and we'll click on send for signatures. Well, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for your time. Have yourself a great day.